After the defense minister gave a no-nonsense message to China from the Lok Sabha 2 days ago, today Rajnath Singh will be addressing the Rajya Sabha on the India-China border standoff. This is at 12 p.m. today. What's different this time around is that the opposition, which didn't get a chance to seek clarifications from the Raksha Mantri, may get a chance this time. This after the opposition, particularly the Congress, sought clarification from the government on the border standoff. During his Lok Sabha speech, the defense minister took the dragon by its horns, saying that India is committed to peace but is ready for any contingency. He also exposed China's dual speak in parliament, saying that the Chinese continue to transgress even as talks between both nations are underway. Now, the defense minister's tone remained combative over Chinese violations, and he at all points rallied behind our forces. Paulami Saha is joining us with more details on this. Paulami, are we expecting pretty much the same message that was conveyed in the Lok Sabha to be repeated by Rajnath Singh in the Rajya Sabha as well, considering this time around there could also be a lot of questions from the opposition in the House?
Well, the statement, Akshata, is more or less likely to be the same, because this is procedural, that when he's making a suo motu statement on something which is very sensitive and pertains to national security and national interest, he's supposed to make that on both floors of both houses in Parliament. So he's made that in the Lok Sabha. He will be making that in the Rajya Sabha. But the compromise that has been struck between the opposition and the government, because they had been having certain objections vis-a-vis the bills and the ordinances that were being brought forward by the government. At an all-party meeting yesterday, it was decided that the opposition will have an opportunity to ask a couple of clarifications after the defense minister has made his statement. There won't be too many of those, because obviously this is a matter which is very sensitive and is a developing situation as well, and hence the defense minister will restrict himself. But they've agreed, the government has agreed to address a couple of questions from the House after the defense minister has made a statement.
Okay, we'll be tracking the updates on the story, Paulami. 12 p.m. is when the defense minister will be speaking in Rajya Sabha. A little different from what we expected in Lok Sabha, considering here the opposition could get a chance also to raise some of the queries they have on the LACs.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.